Welcome to the new era of wealth. In 2026, the traditional 9 to 5 is no longer a path to security. It's a bottleneck for your potential. The global economy has decentralized. The tools of production are now in your hands, powered by artificial intelligence and global networks. Today, we aren't just talking about side hustles. We are talking about building digital real estate that yields high-margin recurring cash flow. We have identified 5 specific pillars that are creating more millionaires this year than any traditional industry. Let's break them down. Pillar 1: Digital products and micro SaaS. In 2026, the world is moving from general information to curated, actionable intelligence. Information is cheap, but implementation is expensive. Successful digital products today solve one specific painful problem for a high-value niche. Micro SaaS is the ultimate scale play. These are tiny software solutions that fix a single workflow error. They are built once and yield monthly subscriptions. The margins are nearly 100%. No inventory, no logistics. And with AI-assisted development, you can launch a product in weeks, not months. Pillar 2: High-ticket affiliate marketing. The era of selling $10 gadgets for cents in commission is over. 2026 is about elite curation. You aren't a salesman. You are a trusted advisor. You curate enterprise software, high-end financial tools, or luxury business services for your audience. The key here is recurring revenue. Many enterprise tools pay you every month the customer stays. This is true compounding wealth at its finest. Pillar 3: Premium print on demand. Forget generic t-shirts. In 2026, we are building luxury tier identity brands using AI-optimized logistics. Success in POD now requires a focus on luxury of identity. You aren't selling merchandise. You are selling a brand story that resonates with the 1%. Position yourself at the top of the market. High price points allow for better margins and more budget for sophisticated targeted advertising. Pillar 4: AI-powered freelancing. The age of trading your hours for a paycheck is dead. Today, we trade results, amplified by machine intelligence. By mastering AI workflows, one individual can now produce the output of a traditional 20-person agency. You are selling high-speed excellence. Pillar 5: YouTube automation. In 2026, attention is the new oil. Building a faceless channel is like building a refinery for that oil. Every video you upload is a digital worker that never sleeps, never complains, and works for you 24 hours a day, globally. Success in 2026 isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with higher leverage tools. Pick one pillar and dominate it. Your journey to financial independence starts with a single decision. Execution is everything. I'll see you at the top.